All right, guys, another video. This one, signs that you're being ripped off by your uniform rental company. I know I've been posting a lot of videos lately about what's going on in the industry, but I should get back to posting about the clients as well. They need some help as well, and you guys know that more than anybody. So, without further ado, signs you're being ripped off in the uniform rental industry. That the uniform rental driver is not leaving a copy of the invoice. This is especially critical because the price increases can be they can give you notification of a price increase on the actual invoice. And not only that, but if you read the contract will typically say that they have that you have agreed to not receive an invoice, which seems really weird and strange because how could that be if I never get a copy of the invoice, which had a copy of the notification of the price increase, then how could I give you notification that I want to decline the price increase within 10 or 15 days? So that's why you should always insist on getting a copy of the paper invoice. Number two, you rarely see the driver, especially if you're paying a good amount of money and your account's like $150, $300 a week. If you rarely see the driver and you're there on premises and he's not getting a signature or he's just like in and out, like zooming, then that's a problem. And typically, he doesn't want to answer any questions. And I can understand if it happens once, the guy might be busy, but he needs to report to you, and you need to tell him that. It's up to you to manage your account and tell these drivers what they need to do. If they want to get away with it, then they're gonna try to do it. All right. So another one, over inventory. A lot of times I go into accounts and I see these accounts, they've got like 600 or 800 towels in inventory. Come to find out they're only using about 50 or 75 towels. And, you have to understand the route drivers are getting paid commission. Okay, now I understand everybody wants to make more money. And typically, if you ask them, hey, how come you didn't say anything? They're going to say, hey, I thought you needed them. I thought you just wanted to have them on hand just in case. And so that's one of the things you need to understand. Are you guys looking for just somebody to drop off and pick up? Or are you looking for a partner that is going to help you to manage your business? And that's typically what the old school drivers did back in the day. And, they took care of their customers. It was a win-win for both of you. But apparently, it's just not happening today. There's just a new generation of a route driver. Now, listen, guys, I know there's some good drivers out there. And if you're listening to me, you're probably one of the better ones. So I appreciate that. Thanks, guys. But you guys know the ones I'm talking about, and it's something that you guys need to pay attention to. The online price is different. Now, I don't know if you know this. This is a trick that I learned back in the day. That a lot of times if you're getting loss charged for a shirt and they're charging, let's just use, for example, $25. Well, a lot of times you can go onto the website and find the exact same shirt that they are selling, and it's going to be a lower price online. A lot of you guys know this, and this is kind of like an inside trick. And it's weird because the contract will say something like, you agreed to pay for the loss charges at the then replacement value. And so the then replacement value, I guess, tends to be more money than what they're selling it for online. I don't know why that is. Maybe one of you guys could let us know. But those are some signs. There's a whole bunch more. Maybe I'll go into a part 2 later. But these are some of the signs that your uniform rental driver is ripping you off. If you guys want to add some more in the comments, that's great. I'm sure the customers would definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, guys, and take a look at the other videos. I've been posting a lot recently. Just double check, make sure you haven't missed a video, and we'll see you soon.